Hey, what's up guys? Today I just want to do a quick tutorial about how to take an image like this, just kind of shot in the daytime, and make it look like an image like this, that looks a lot more like sunset. It's a lot more dramatic. So we're going to be editing in Lightroom, and here's just the image I'm going to do right now. So the first thing I do is I go to the calibration, the bottom panel here, take this all the way up, and take the blue one all the way down. That'll kind of give you like a teal look in the sky, and then like a really dark orange, kind of reddish, wherever you have like oranges. Next, I go up here, take the temperature in the main panel, and you just want to slide it up and stop when it starts looking like really crazy, like way too orange to be real. That's pretty good. That's like a really intense sunset kind of thing going on. Then I'm going to take my highlights down just to kind of clear up the sky, see the clouds a little better. And then my color panel right here, I'm going to go and bump my orange and yellow just a little bit and take the blues down a bit, just to get rid of that blue sky kind of feel. And that's pretty much it. So if you guys like this video, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching my quick tutorial.